We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1962 Chevy Impala Super Sport, 409 horsepower, 4-speed, numbers matching, power top, power steering. Just a very nice restored car. Paint is slick, body is laser straight, all the bright work, trim, chrome is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, it's just an amazing car. High quality restoration, attention to detail, just a beautiful car. All the body lines are fantastic, all these chrome and trim pieces, all around the headlights. Just a nice example. Small chip right there, we'll address that. We just got it in, just wiped it down. And I'm talking another tiny chip. Just got it in, we have a chance to just wipe it down, vacuum it, get some pictures before the rain came in to be fully detailed, serviced. Only thing I believe that's not, the radio is kind of tuning in and tuning out, turns on, plays, and then sometimes it goes away. So in the clock, as far as everything else, the blinkers, the lights, turn on the engine, the cold light comes on, you got to put the emergency brake on, the emergency brake light comes on. So sorted car, nice car. You can see the paint, chrome, trim, bright work is fantastic on this car. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, St. Louis International, Lambert International, one in the same airport. Fly in, forward us your flight itinerary. We're more than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. We'll take it out for a ride, we'll put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. You do not need all the money to buy these. We have financing available, usually 10% down is the number. Credit is king, so you have to have some credit. We have a link on our website at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Link, click it, it's direct lending, so once you click it, you'll go from our website to their site, and any information you provide will be solely information that they have. We will not have that information. But this is just a great car, great color combination. See a lot of red on black. This red on red is slick. Nice, carpets are nice, jams are nice. Just all the attention to detail on this. Just nice. Got this laying in the back seat. Hold this for a second there. Back, sorry about that, but what a great ride. Look at that paint, look at the clouds just reflect on this thing. Love this car. Beautiful interior. Top's in fantastic shape. Like I said, all the trim around the windows, especially the corner windows around the windshield, is fantastic. Just stunning car. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. We've got great financing. We have a link on our website. You'll be able to click it again. Just go right there. It's direct lending with the lender. Integrity Insurance. There's a link on it for them if you need undercarriage on this car is beautiful. Yeah, no disappointing car. Again, Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis. Thanks for watching.